we unboxed the girls' first LOL Oh My God Outrageous Millennial Girls Doll Winter Chill, and her name is ICY Gurl. We were so excited. The box came with 25 surprises, but I noticed right away that I wanted to give the doll a makeover and make her a little bit more appropriate for our girls. So this is what we did. We actually went in our Barbie doll clothes, and the first dress we tried on for her was a big and tall dress from a big and tall Barbie. The second dress paired very nice with the shades. It came with ICY Gurl. As you can see, the dress comes to the knees. And even this dress looks really nice, although it fits a little differently. It works, and it pairs with the shades. And the finishing touch, we actually put the jacket on top of one of the dresses, paired it with the shades. It's a very cute look, and it changes the look almost instantly. So there you have it. We wanted to do something different for these girls. I wanted to make a new look for her to make her a little bit more appropriate for young girls. So I hope you like what we did, and if you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And yeah, definitely, I'm wondering if you guys would like to see more videos like this where we try on Barbie clothes on our LOL dolls. So like and share the video with anybody you know who has an LOL doll, and check you later.